Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I am back with a new video today. I know it's been very long since I posted any video, but today I am back with a fun video. In this video, I am going to talk about myself. So there is never been a possibility where I have chatted with my YouTube family. So today I am going to let you know about me. In this video, I'm going to answer 25 questions about me. So it is going to be fun because I have created a bunch of chits here. I will be picking up the questions randomly in random order. There will be no order and I will be answering them to you. So be ready to know about me. These are very interesting questions and I'm sure you're not going to be bored. So watch the whole video and we are going to reach 2000 subscribers. So please hit the subscribe button and make sure you like this video, share it with as many of your friends. And here goes the 25 questions that about my life. Let's begin. So here goes question number 1. Let's see what is the question number 1. I am shuffling this in front of you guys and I'm going to pick a random chit. So here goes. My favorite song. So my favorite song right now, actually I don't have a favorite song. My songs keep mixing up time to time, but now my favorite song is Savage Love. Touch somebody, touch somebody. It's a very nice song. So first question done. Picking up the second chit. Do I like traveling? I just love traveling, guys. Traveling is like my favorite thing to do, and if I want, I can just go right now to travel. That is how much I love traveling. So now the third question. The third question, let me pick a chit. My celebrity crush. My celebrity crush is Justin Bieber. He was really my crush and now he's married and I actually like him a lot. So the fourth question. My zodiac sign. My zodiac sign is Scorpio. I am a Scorpio kid, yeah. So fifth question. One embarrassing moment of my life. So there was a moment where actually there were many times actually when someone says hi and you say them hi back, but then you get to know it's actually not for you and you'll be like, oh shit, what an embarrassment it was. So many times that has happened to me, like I will just say hi to the person who is not saying hi to me and it'll be like a total embarrassment, but it's just like saying hi and all. Okay, so moving on to the next question. My addiction. So most of you guys know that I am addicted to coffee. I just love coffee. Morning when I wake up, if I don't have coffee, I just go crazy. That is one thing. And I am addicted to music. Every day I have to listen to music when I'm getting ready or else I cannot get ready. So I'm addicted to these two things. Next. Do I have a pet? I actually have a pet. His pictures are. His name is Simba. He's a Labrador. We got him in Feb 2020 and now he is almost 8 to 9 months old and he's so adorable. I just love him. Be drinking water. Stay hydrated. Next question. My full name. So my full name is Gul R. Thakur and the R stands for Rajkumar. That is my father. This is my full name. 9th question, guys. 9th question to go. My talents, my hobbies. My hobbies are dancing. I just love to dance. I can dance whenever the music starts. As the music starts, I will start dancing. That is what I love to do. And one more hobby can be cycling. Can you call that as a hobby? I like cycling as well. So that's my hobbies. Now for the 10th question. Let's go with the names of my siblings. So who all are my siblings? What are their names? So I have two elder sisters, and one is like 2 years elder to me and one is 15 years elder to me. The 2 years elder one is Ekta Thakur and the 15 years elder one is Roshni Madhav. She is married. So 11th question. When is my birthday? Guys, actually it is my birthday month now. October is my birthday, October 26th. So my birthday is about to come, you guys. 12th question now. Where do I live? So I live in Bangalore, an area called Kalyan Nagar. I live in Bangalore, India. So 13th question now. We are going to the 13th one. Oh my god, this question. I thought of while writing only, why am I writing this question? And now here I am answering this question to you guys. Ever fallen in love? So I don't know actually what love is, so I cannot say if I've ever fallen in love. So now for the 15th question. What I like to be called, my pet name. My pet name actually is Dimpy. Many people call me Dimpy, and yeah, so I like to be called Dimpy. And there is one more pet name you guys should know, that is Laddu. From my childhood, my dad used to call me that. So 16th question. My favorite pastime. My favorite pastime is Netflix. I love to watch Netflix and just chill. And I actually love the show Friends on Netflix. So I binge watch that like crazy. So now for the 16th question. Do I like reading books? No guys, I read only my study books and I do not read any other books. So I will consider that I do not like reading books. 17. Which subject was my favorite in school? So my favorite subject was actually maths, and I was good at maths in school, but now I'm really bad at math. And yeah, my favorite subject in school was maths. 18th question. What is my favorite color? So my favorite color is blue actually. I love the color blue. I just feel it's so vibrant and so good. What is it over? So I'll just love the color blue, and actually all shades of blue, they are very pretty. 19th question. This is 19th. What is my favorite food? What is my favorite food? I actually love biryani. I'm a biryani person. Yeah, I actually love biryani a lot. Now I'm craving for biryani right now. My last text on my phone. So my phone is right here, guys. Let me tell you what is my last text on my phone. So my last text was to my niece. I just sent her some of my photos. Yeah. For example, this. I just sent her. 20th question, you guys. We are only left with 5 questions now. 21st question. Here we go. What I want to be in life. I have actually not thought about that much. I just want to be happy with whatever I'm doing, and I want to make people happy. So in terms of success, I need to think about that still. 20 seconds. Who is my best friend? About me, guys, I actually don't have many best friends, and right now I just have friends and I don't have any best friends. But my sister is my best friend. I just love her to the core. My sister and my niece, I love them and they are my best friends right now. So 23rd, yeah, we are going to finish the video now. Which sports I like to play? So I love the sport badminton. I was actually a state champion in that, and I love the sport swimming. So badminton and swimming are my favorite sports. 24th question. Who all are in my family? In my family, I have my mom, I have my sister, I have my elder sister, my elder sister's daughter, my elder sister's husband, and my grandpa. So these 5 people are main in my family right now, and including me. So we are 6 people. So last 25th question. Last song I heard. Last song I heard was Savage Love Only. As I was saying, it was my favorite song, so I was just hearing that so that I got good vibes to shoot this video. So here is it, guys. The plate is over and I have told you 25 things about my life, and I hope you know me better now and my YouTube family loves me more. So I will see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, write in the comments which thing you thought was your favorite, and then I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
You be living your good life.